Here's the deal.
We're somewhere.
I can't just order one.
I intend to
just work. Thought I'd seen every kind of pie. Take 434.
Oh,
look that way. Welcome to Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. Today, we're in South Carolina in the city of Rock Hill. And we're at this cool little joint called Burgers and Barley. Now, I've looked at their website and some of the flavor combinations they put together on burgers are just amazing. They also have some really awesome sounding mac and cheese. And I love me some mac and cheese. So let's go try them out. Come on.
Man, this is the neatest place. They got everything in here. It's great. They got TVs on every wall, any kind of burger you want. Just name it.
Okay, guys, this place is amazing. They have so many things on their menu. You wouldn't believe this. They don't have one kind of mac and cheese. No, they don't have two kinds of mac and cheese. They have 5 different kinds of mac and cheese.
You got it going on, health friendly. Man, we got some nice girls here working here. They are taking care of us.
I can't just order one. So, I have ordered 3 to try. Ultimate 3 cheese. The bacon cheeseburger and the buffalo chicken. Now, I did make one substitution. Now, I really don't like blue cheese crumbles that much. Talking with the general manager, he doesn't as well. So he suggested that I change those out for goat cheese. Sounds really good to me, so that's what I have done. So the buffalo chicken is going to come with goat cheese crumbles, and I can't wait for that. So when these come to the table, they're going to be good. They're going to be good. I just have this feeling.
Anyway, I'm glad I'm here in North Carolina today. And we ain't in North Carolina. We're somewhere.
We're at Burgers and Barley, and you cannot be at a place that says burgers in the first part of their name and them not have some just creative burgers. And they have some of the most creative burgers I've seen here on this menu. These are amazing.
You know, they call this place Burgers and Barley. I don't see nowhere where they're growing any barley.
This first burger here, and this is going to be coming to our table here in just a minute, so I can't wait to see it. It's going to be awesome. It's called the Brenner burger. Let me just read you the ingredients. American cheese, candied bacon, over easy egg, maple mayo, and get this. The bun, not bread, glazed donut. Yes, I did say glazed donut.
We're here in South Carolina today, and this is the third state I've been in today. I've been in North Carolina, I've been in South Carolina, and I've been in the state of confusion.
My name's Rowan, and I serve here.
So I've got 2 of the 3 here right now.
Have you seen my plate today? Look at this. Ain't this nice? I got a burger with bacon crumbles on ricochet bun, a brie shot, something like that, brie something bun.
All right, guys, you do not know how excited I am here. I am about to hit the roof. I now have 4 mini skillets of macaroni and cheese here in front of me. Okay, you remember I ordered 3, but I got a pleasant surprise because I got a 4th. And here's why. You might remember when I told you a while ago that I substituted goat cheese for blue cheese crumbles. I actually have the original blue cheese crumble version here to try as well. So I'm actually excited about that. So here we go.
I have never eaten anything this good. My.
Can't be that good, can they? They're just sweet potato fries. I'm stealing one. I'm stealing one right now. Hey, Pop Tom, look that way. Look that way. Oh my. Okay, he wasn't lying. Those are to die for. Okay, we've got the Brenner burger right here. I want you to look at this thing. That is layers of lusciousness. I can tell. Okay, here we go.
And And the sweet tea keeps coming.
Okay, guys, I now got to rank these. Remember, I did order 3, so I've got to rank them from number 3, 2, and then my favorite, number 1. I'm going to go in 3rd place, and not because it wasn't good. That would be the 3 cheese mac and cheese. Now, this, for you purists out there, you might want to pick this one, but I'm going to put it in my 3rd place, not because it wasn't good. I loved it. Just because of the complexity of the flavor wasn't quite there.
This place was actually a club before it was our burger place, and it was called Big Daddy's, and that's just a fun little quirky fact about B&B, that it was a club. You could tell that it had a nice club life with the bar and everything, and it's just nice and spacious. I think that's real fun.
In 2nd place, this is a hard 2nd place because I'm going with the buffalo chicken on 2nd place. I'm gonna go with the original blue cheese crumbles. I don't like blue cheese crumbles that much, I didn't think, but in this, it just works. One word. Wow. The sweetness of that donut with the hamburger goes perfectly. I mean, your mouth just dives into that and it melts in your mouth. That donut melts in your mouth when you bite into it. Cannot recommend enough. The Brenner burger.
It's just like a fountain.
So that means in first place is the ultimate cheeseburger. This is the deal. That is over the top. That rock. I mean, don't take this away. Oh, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. If Elvis was here, I think this would be his favorite as well. And let me remind you, Elvis, subscriber to our channel. Yep. I thought I'd seen every kind of pie out there. This is the first time I've ever seen a banana pudding pie. Imagine banana pudding, but in pie form. I can't wait to dig into this. All right, here we go. Banana pudding to the exponential level. Oh, I gotta have more. Elvis is a subscriber to our channel, and you should be a subscriber to our channel too. Click that subscribe button down there. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell because we don't want you to miss any of our videos. You never know when we're gonna be in your area. And give us a big thumbs up, like if you don't mind down there. It really does help the channel. All right, guys, until next time, we'll see ya.